First beach day this year. Oh, catching her pooping. Gotta get all the sniffing out of the way. Oh, Digger's the first one in the water. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of there. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Oh my goodness, swim time? Alright, hold on. Let me get it. Oh, that hurt. Ready? Go get it. You went the wrong way. There it is. Oh, Piper got it. Oh. Oh, good girl, Piper. Daisy. Oh, let me put my drink down. Oh. Who's gonna get it this time? Ready? Hold on, Piper, you're gonna get hit. Go get it. Ooh, she's wavy today, boys. Daisy! Where the fuck did she go? Don't take off, you're not my dog. Daisy! Oh my god. Oh. Hello, Digger. Where's that Daisy girl? Daisy! That's not cool. Guess I can't bring her down here. Ugh, hold on. Ready? Go get it! Oh, look at him go. He never just goes for a swim. Good for him. Daisy! Oh, for fuck's sakes, where did she go? Oh, wait. Go get it. All right, we're back. Hopefully she sticks around this time. Oh. Ready? Steady. Go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Ooh, she's liking that. Good girl. Hey. Watch out. Let me get it. Oh. Go get it. Where are you going? Hey! Daisy! Oh my god. Come on! I don't even think she can hear me over the waves. Oh, I'm getting soaking wet, you guys. Oh. Oh. Ready? Steady. Go get it. Go get it, Digger. Come on, Pearly Whirl. Where's your stick now? There it is. Ready? Go get it! You don't want to catch the same stick? I'll get you another one. There's a nice one. Daisy, where are you? Go get it. Why does she keep... Oh, there they are. Romancing themselves down the beach. Watching 5 dogs down here is harder than I thought it would be. There's our old girl. All right. Ready? Go get it. Here, Pipes. Ready? Go get it. Oh, poor Daisy. Pearl says, no way, that's my stick. Were you going to help her, Daisy? She's a little bitch. She doesn't like to share. Go find me another stick. There's one. You went the wrong way. Go get it. It's over there. Oh, it's over there. In the water. Oh. Why are you looking in the sky? Ready? Oh, good girl. Oh. Hey, you guys stay here. Where are you going? Come on. Daisy wants back in the truck. Daisy! Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, there she comes. Good girl. Oh. Oh. Here, want this one? Ready? Oh, you did it again, Piper. Don't do that. You can't jump when I'm throwing it. You get whacked in the head, dumbass. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm sorry. It certainly wasn't on purpose. Now she's afraid to pick up the stick. She thinks the stick hurt her. Don't go anywhere. Don't jump. Don't jump. Go get it. Piper, here's yours. Go get it. Oh, she doesn't like that stick now. It hit her. Sorry, baby. You really shouldn't jump at the stick. Come on, Digger. Hey, come on. Get down here. Daisy, where are you going? Oh my God. This is a bad idea. She's like, fuck it, I'm just gonna walk home. Daisy! All right, I'm gonna go.